So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to play a game called Blasphemous. So actually I've been playing this for like 3 days and I've just completed it 67.66%. Unfortunately I didn't recorded all of it. I'm sorry guys. So let's start in another game. Yeah. So this game has blood, so if you're afraid of blood, I recommend not to continue in the video. Okay, I will not speak often if there are cutscenes because I want you guys to focus on it. So yeah.
Make my chest hurt with regret. Forge your punishment and nail it deep. Shape my guilt once again.
That's us. We're taking the sword from the woman.
And thus, guilt, repentance, mourning, and every pain of the soul of all kind were visibly and tangibly manifested everywhere and in all of us. Sometimes in the form of blessing and grace, sometime in the form of punishment and corruption. That divine will, equally pious and cruel, which we could not and will never be able to unravel, was called the miracle.
Okay. Okay, so we're now starting. Okay. And look at that. There are tons of dead bodies. Yeah, that's harsh, man. That's harsh. And we're just only one alive. Yeah. Man, that's brutal. Unfortunately, I don't know what is the cause of their deaths, but I guess they're all dead. Yeah. So let's heal. So guys, I'm actually playing in mobile. Yes. Blasphemous on mobile is a thing. Okay, anyways, let's go. Let's face that tutorial boss. Yeah. Okay. Sorry guys if my English pronunciation is not very good because I'm from Philippines. Yeah. An Asian country. Okay. And Priyadiu. Yeah, I cannot I cannot pronounce it. Anyways, this is where we can refill our flask, the red bottle, in the top right corner, and it saves our checkpoint. Yeah, and this our tutorial boss. What? What is happening? go. Of course, it is very easy. It's just tutorial boss. Requiem Aeternum. Yeah. Aeternum? What? That word is confusing. Oh. Yep. More blood. Nice. Okay. That mask or helmet is pretty cold, to be honest. Yeah, it is pretty cold. Okay, anyways. Let's continue on our journey. Nice. Think we're speedrunning it. Pause it if you want to read it.
Penitent one, I am Deo Gracias. The cradle of affliction is what you seek. This can be found in the mother of mothers of the churches. It is a remote place, even a wise penitent like me. However, what I do know is that one of them must be performed, another in the depths of and the last one. And take this thorn, and if, when the time comes, having grown with more, that will mean that you...
Okay, so we got a thorn from Diogracias. Demogracias, yeah. Anyways, we got another altar here. Let's save. Nice. Okay, so this is where the fun begins. We got now enemies. Haha. Die. Yep. That is brutal. So that's the map. We got a prayer. Yes. Pause it if you want to read it. Okay. Okay. So just like magic. What? What happened? Ouch. It's funny I didn't block it. What's that? Oh, the Children of the Moonlight. Fortunately, I don't know what would happen if I collect 38 all of them. What the hell is happening in my magic, bro? Don't know what happened to my magic, but well, I guess that's it. Just kidding. Okay, so what's this?
There is no answer to our plea.
Oh yeah, forgot
The
this already.
miracle has forsaken us, but my ornate throne turns its back on those who wait here.
So we're now in Albero. Okay, yep. Wait, guys. Okay, so I just changed my screen brightness because it is too bright for me.
Sorrowful will be the heart, and few remain here who can still. There are
Okay, so
few
this is
of us who
Tirso,
still care with
our
devout kisses. Time outside
quest
these
giver.
walls pass. But if your penance
Yep.
happens to the will in the middle,
So our goal for Tirso is we need to collect some medical herbs or medical ingredients. So yeah, he gives us Tears of Atonement, a currency that we use. And also this is uh forgot this.
Penitent
Sorry.
one, you carry the
Sorry, I
painful
forgot
guilt
this.
in your cracked hands.
Oh yeah, it is Mea
Learn it to also
Culpa
alleviate your
Shrine,
burden.
the same name of our sword. Mea Culpa.
Learn it to also wipe away
Mea
your tears.
Culpa. Yeah, yeah.
Because it is an act of
So
penitence.
that shrine is where we could upgrade our sword. Yeah, nice. Okay. So guys, there's a secret room here. Yeah, it's actually a shortcut to another place. It's a bone. Yeah, it's a bone. Anyways, and this is where we can sell our bones, but for now, not today because I'm collecting it. Anyways, wait, it's not shortcut. Let's go to the right path. Okay. Yeah, forgot there's a artifact here. There's an item here. So it's a dove skull. So a dove skull gives us a additional defense against physical attack like those crazy ladies, people with the will. Yeah.
true shrine. In this place, we gather the helpless these poor souls.
So this guy in the window is also our quest giver. So all we need to do is find some remains of people, and he can give us tons of money or tears. Yeah. So we're now in the wasteland of the buried churches. We need to kill these dudes. The dudes who throw rocks because they're actually annoying. Nice. Sorry guys, I have to kill you. Just putting out in their misery. Huh? That's a close one. There's a secret room underneath. Yep. slide, and we get a bone. Nice, a bone. Of course, we can sell it to that man with sand all over his body. Okay. Another bone, of course. Nice. Get crushed. Yet another. Children of the Moonlight. Okay. So we're near at the bridge now. The what's it called? Yeah, the bridge of the Cavalry. We're almost there. Alright. Yeah. Look at that dude, bros. That almost died. Forgot there are tons of spikes in the ground beneath us. Okay. Need to be careful. Ouch. Should I kill him? No, nope, 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 nope. Of course, I will not going to kill him. Why? We have no flash remaining. Yeah. Okay, so we're now here at the bridge of the T Cavalries. Don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but sorry. Okay. Here we go. Demogracias.
Here lies the door, and on it, for the art of these, his sculpted holiness watches, find the holy visages, for fickle are the wishes of.
Okay, so our main objective is to find the three holy visage. Yep. We need to find three. Only three, but the three holy visage is acquired through bosses. So I need to defeat the second, the third, and the fourth boss, which I already defeated it in my first run. Okay. Now let's go down here. Why? This is because the first boss is here. Not down here. I mean, not down this bridge. I mean, not underneath this bridge. Yeah. So just go straight into that building. Oh yeah, and also remember this dude. Yeah, I hope you don't forget it because we're going to encounter him like 2 more times. This is the first encounter, and the second will be in the next few episodes, and the third Nah, I will not going to spoil it. But maybe you know. Maybe you know. Yeah. Anyways, there's actually a portal here. Oh wait, not here. Is it here? The portal? Sorry guys, I forgot where the portal is. Yeah, another secret room in the wall. It's a pretty good dodge there. Okay, so right now. Oh yeah, it's another place. Maybe the portal is here? Oh wait, another shrine. Yeah. Anyways, maybe it is up here. Is it up here? Wait, sorry guys. I forgot where the portal is because this map is huge. Oh wait. Oh yeah. So this is where we cleanse our guilt. So the guilt is the thing on our blue bar. For now, the guilt is it doesn't have effect on us, but if we die, the blue bar will be shrink. Not shrink, like a how to explain this? It's like a vine in the blue bar. I will show you what is the guilt is. All I need is to die. Not intentionally, like accidentally. What the? Okay. Almost died there. Unintentionally. Of course, I don't want to die. Ouch. Yo, yo. Okay, okay. Okay. What is this? Oh yeah. There's a treasure chest here. Yep. It's a trap. Of course, it's a trap. So that was another magic. Okay, so let me see that. Okay, so yeah, pause it if you want to read it. So this magic increases our attack speed, but of course I don't want it to work by it because, bro, this is OP. Why? Because yeah, I forgot. I'm not the best explainer. I'm not good at explaining things. Sorry. Ouch. Wait. I can't focus. Wait. Let me cook, bro. Let me cook. Let me focus. Okay, so what I meant to say is what I meant to say is this magic is powerful than this because it just increases our attack speed. If you're wondering why, this is because there's a rosary bead that can increase our prayers damage. Yeah. Oh wait, why are we here? Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Yep, we died. Okay, so after we died, the guilt will be now taking effect. Okay, so if you look closely at where the blue bar is located, there's some kind of what's that? A rope thing or a vine. So that is the reason why we can't use magic. So we can use magic but only 2 times. Why? Because the third section of the bar has guilt in it. So we can use ouch. Okay, so after we die, there's things called guilt fragment. So that is where we can recover a little bit of our health, a little of fervor. That's what the blue bar is called. And the guilt is now gone. So that's how. Done. Wait, wait, I'm going to die. Okay, okay. We used up all of our flasks, but that's okay. Can just stay up here and kill this flying dude with a long spear. Nice. That's in the map. Yep. If you look on the map, it is pretty big, but this is just 10% of it. Okay? It is just 10%. It would be a lot more bigger than this. What's this?
From a place of blessings, have my name is Viridiana, penitent.
Oh yeah, so we need this girl. Why? Because that's our teammate that going to help us to defeat the second boss, which is in this spot, but I'm not going to battle him for now because I'm going to upgrade our sword. Okay, we need to upgrade our sword now. Oh yeah, yes, here's the teleporter. Okay, so we're now in Mercy Dreams and we can teleport to Albero. Nice, right here. Is it a bone? Oh wait, it's not a bone. It's one of the ingredients we need for Tirso. Yeah. Okay, so first, I want this. Secret trust. Secret trust. Then yeah, just that's it. I just want the secret trust. To be honest, secret trust is for me is the powerful move. Yeah. Also, we have given
Merciful
just
me,
a
penitent one,
bouquet of
with your
time.
retribution.
Time. Yeah. Okay, a linen cloth. We need this. So we'll just pray in this fountain. And tada. We're on a dream.
This place is another dream, penitent one. They believe me a saint worthy of devotions, and the only thing I granted the punishment of the miracle for. Do not try to obtain my. Bring me anything that.
So we're giving him a linen cloth. Cloth. Yeah.
Behold the linen cloth that soaks, a tool that obtains secret in the name of the highway.
Okay, so we have a shroud of what's it again? Shroud of dreamt sins. Positive one to read it. Okay, nice. So this cloth is not just an ordinary cloth. It can give us the ability to talk to dead bodies. Yes. So you can see it said allowing one to listen those who can no longer speak. Oh, that's deep, to be honest. That's deep. Okay, so let's not waste any more time. Let's face that first boss or second boss, because for me it would be the first real boss. Okay. Nice, let's go. My hands are actually sweating right now because I don't know. I think it's in my genes that I sweat a lot in my hands. Okay, so let's face him now. I'm coming. Wait, why is my controller not working? Okay, there we go. There we go. Here's the first real boss. Yeah. Thank you, done. Ouch. Forgot to jump. Oh, wait. Okay, nice. Come on, heal me. Come on. Yep. final. Final slash. Nice. That was easy, but my hands are sweating, so I get a little harder. I mean, that fight was a little harder. That sounds wrong, bro. Yeah, that sounds wrong. Anyways, let's go into another game. So this is where we can get our first holy visage.
In the name of the great ordeal, when you humbled yourself before my most holy body, you have been granted the presence of my golden visage. Custodian, our miracle has chosen me amongst all the peers. May the gold in my visage, heart of guilt, return.
Okay, so we get the holy wound of attrition. One of the three holy visage that we need to open the bronze gate on the bridge of three cavalries. Anyways, it's checkpoint in the altar. So guys, this is it for our first episode of our blasphemous gameplay. So please like and subscribe if you want more of these episodes. So bye guys.